Next up, you got my guy, my boy, the youngster DJ with the toolie out here ready. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Bay on flexing, extensive. Brand new Rari, Smith & Wesson.
Another day, another vlog, man. Today I had a plan since, you know, my kids out here in Vegas, kids have been out of school for like a week. I told y'all before, Vegas, whatever holiday it is, it can be Groundhog's Day, they give you a week off. So I was gonna take them go-kart racing, but it's hella cold outside. Lightweight freezing. No sprinkles though, no rain at all, it's just, you know what I'm saying? But I came up with a better idea. So what I did was, I went to go get like both Nerf guns, big ass machine gun, like the drums or whatever. And I was like, it'd be dope if I set up like some little obstacle course. I probably had like a little gunfight with me and my kids. So about 8 this morning, I went ahead and went over to Walmart, pick them up, whoop. Now I'm back here. I think they over here playing this Wii. They've been glued to this. What's up, Chanel?
What's up?
What you doing?
Some stuff on the computer that y'all don't care about.
Y'all playing the Wii?
Yeah, they get me too. 15. DJ the one that's he whooping Stefan in this right now.
So how you wanna do this with these guns? Like put them together in the living room? Or?
Yeah, because we're not gonna be able to put them together. If we take it up the trunk and bring it up in here and these kids see this, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. They're gonna stop playing this immediately. Yeah, they is.
So
alright, so.
You in this, right?
Huh?
You know I'm about to shoot you up, right?
It's not gonna happen. I already told them I'm gonna try to do like a little obstacle course or whatever, and then,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Then we gonna have to pick teams, paper, rock, scissors, but I say I want DJ on my squad, but he a crybaby. Stefan is the real hitter, like, you know what I'm saying?
But that's your twin though, it's mine, so like, automatically though.
We paper, rock, scissors, cause I don't want DJ and you don't want DJ either. We finna open these Nerf guns, and I think these is hella dope right here. Cause look, bro.
Yes, these is dope.
Yeah, look, we got the drum on this motherfucker. Stefan, DJ gonna see that, like, yeah. I was gonna get him 2 different ones, but then I know one of them gonna be looking at the other one, like I wanna play, so I have to get DJ one. Get him, no, or Stefan, whatever the case. I'm gonna go ahead and write their name on there and see who wants up theirs first. And then, you know, I gotta have the one, but I end up getting the shotgun one because it'll be, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm a little different. And you got this mugger right
You just
here.
want to be different. I'm not a mugger.
Get her one. Look, hers already out the box. You can put the cards together type.
I'm not gonna lie, this one of his ones I had to open up mine first. Mama gotta make sure that it's safe first.
Somebody finna get hit up in here, and somebody gonna be crying. I already know y'all finna see somebody cry, and it ain't finna be me. Cause it ain't no holds bars. They love them Nerf guns.
DJ goes, y'all about to be the ones gonna be crying.
Nah. So who you got on your team?
I got Stefan.
She got Stefan on her team.
Yeah.
I want Stefan is smartest in the house, and Stefan let us shoot. And he ain't scared to go out in the middle and shoot when him and DJ be having their little wars. But I guess I'll take Crybaby DJ on my team. My little twee I in. And we gonna take no losses. We gonna set up the targets. Me and DJ still gonna take no losses. This is a 2-on-1. No, a 2-on-2. But it's gonna be like it's a 2-on-1 because we gonna smash y'all. And another thing, bro, I found out all these needed batteries. AA batteries to every single one of them. 6 to 8 batteries for every one of them. Y'all know them Duracell batteries be like $20 for 2 of them.
Like you pump it yourself and then release it up.
Yeah. So what I did was we went to the Rayovacs batteries, whoever these are. They sell them at Walmart, so I'm assuming they gonna work. Then we only playing with the kids. It's not like it's the battery to the. So what we need batteries for, that's important. Anyway, I'm gonna get at y'all when we finish this up.
Hit him back up when you get smacked.
What's that?
Everybody coming.
Ghost Gang merch, go get yours now. And like the video, bros. Alright, we here now.
Okay.
First up, look, this is the first annual Ghost Gang obstacle course. You know what I'm saying? So
I like how you put
this
that first annual.
First annual, we're finna do this every year. Alright, so hold on. Let me bring this back. Let me show y'all how this finna go, just like WWE. Everybody got their interest coming down the hallway. First off, let's show them the sticks. I gotta show you the stick. Gotta show you the choppers. Boom. You know what I'm saying? These are what we finna use to you know what I'm saying, get today cracking. The kids still ain't seen it yet. Y'all seen it before the kids. Crazy out here. Yeah, but look. All right, hold on. Let me go back over here real quick. Okay. You gonna come out, boom, from the hallway.
How you rolling with the car?
First thing you gonna do, come to the corner, boom. As you hit this corner right here, you gonna be getting shot at the whole time you hitting this corner. But you say what? All right, but while you in this corner, you gonna be getting shot at until you hit this little bubbles, the little bubbles that my kids have for their fun or whatever. So until you hit that, you're gonna keep getting shot at. After you hit this, you're gonna run over here towards the kitchen. All the way over there. Spider-Man on the basketball court. I know y'all see it. Hold on, let's take it back. Boom.
On the tip of that rim.
Yeah, so therefore when you hit him, he should score. Makes sense. All right. Now, hold on. Yeah.
Go from there.
Yeah. All right, now after that, you're gonna go over here behind the couch. It's a little room. You're gonna kneel behind the couch, bro. Get your gun and shoot at that blue cup right there. All right. Then after you hit the blue cup, you're gonna run around here, take your victory lap, and then you're gonna have to drink your juice. All right, here go 4 juices.
Are we gonna
right
be
here.
shot at while we drinking the juice?
Nah, you ain't gonna. Nah, you just gotta finish your whole juice. Oosh.
Okay.
You can't.
No waste.
Yeah, yeah. You're not done with the obstacle course till you finish your juice.
Okay.
That's how we finna get
Can I
cracked.
say something real quick?
Go ahead.
This was designed for me to mess up all y'all.
No, it ain't.
This was designed.
All right, so
for
look,
me
this
and
one.
mine.
Here, hold this. Hold
Something-
this so I can give them that gun real quick. Just.
For something.
Oh, not
For something that you knew that I was not gonna be able to do. Come on.
No, you can stay right there.
Okay. Let's catch that reaction. Here, man.
Got something to show y'all. Wait. I got, come here. Wait right here. Wait. All right, now. Come here. Look. It's your gun right here. We finna have a call out here. Yeah, hold it.
Come here, Papa.
You gotta hold it like this. Look.
Come and
like
get yours.
this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have the one and only Chanel out here ready to do her little thing. The little skinny, wooty woo
There
vibe,
we go.
better known as Channel. She out here ready to do her thing.
Don't mess with me.
We gonna back with her one time. And here she goes.
All right.
No, you didn't. It didn't fall. It didn't fall.
I hit.
No, you didn't. It didn't fall. It gotta fall with me. All right, there we go. Still not hitting it. Oh, it fell. There she goes. Go. Gotta hit the cup. 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 All right, you get it. Go ahead. Get your little drink of juice. Finish the juice. She got the juice. Let's go. Is it gone? Okay, so, you know, Chanel performance was subpar. Now her partner is in the making. Young Stefan. I seen him shoot before, so I know we probably got this one in the bag, because he just shoot wherever you want to. Look at the practice. Alright?
We're gonna hold this right here.
So, without further ado, we finna bring him out properly. Hold on. What? So now it's Stefan's turn. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Come on. Get it, Papa. Come on. It's the bottom. There you go. Bam. Boy. Don't waste time. Spider-Man. Bam. There you go. Come on. Let it go. Hold on.
Why y'all still shooting at nothing? Go.
Come on, the cut, baby. You gotta hit the cut. Come on. You got this. There you go. Come on, it's juice time.
Go.
Come on.
Yeah, go, Stefan.
Come on, Papa. You gotta hurry up, baby. It's the juice.
Drink the juice.
Drink. Come on. Go.
He finished.
Bam. There we go.
That was it. I know DJ gonna do a little bit better. Or probably not, because Chanel helped Stefan. I ain't helping DJ. You know, they with the cheating factors. We
not cheating.
We not with the cheats, you know what I'm saying?
My lady
So,
give a little extra.
No, he don't.
That's it. That's all.
No, he don't. It's all fair. Life ain't finna give him an extra. You know what I'm saying? But DJ, you ready? I'll go ahead and bring him on myself. Next up, you got my guy, my boy, the youngster DJ with the toolie out here ready. You know what I'm saying? We finna kill him, okay, man?
Okay.
You gotta make sure you do it right though, cause they ain't got nothing on us. You ready?
Yep.
All right, hold on. We finna get rid of this.
Alright.
You gotta hit those. I'm gonna be behind you, okay?
Okay.
Hold it. No, hold it. Hold it right. I'm gonna turn it on for you. Ready? Go. Shoot the ball. Go. Go, man. Shoot it. Yeah. Go, man. Oh, I gotta pick you up. You pick you up. Oh, he got the Spider-Man, so shoot him. He got the Spider-Man, so shoot him. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Oh, we can't fit. Oh, we ran out of bullets. We ran out of bullets. We ran out of bullets. Ah, sweet. We lost. Ah.
Before you get it, go.
Oh my God.
Get it out of here.
DJ, we was aiming at a grip of nothing.
Grip or nothing.
A grip of nothing.
Guess who won this one though?
I gotta redeem us though. I gotta redeem us though. And that's what we finna do.
What?
You got it? Yeah, get it, man. Never mind. Never mind. You ready? Yeah, he hit it. Yeah. Yeah, you hit it, man. You hit it. I see that. Okay, go. Go. Nuh-uh, we already hit it. We don't need no more. We don't need no more. Go get your juice. Go get your juice. Get your juice. Drink. 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 Yeah, give me 5. What they didn't see though, is Stefan ran out of ammo on the first one too. The camera was just trying. I mean, I wasn't recording.
That's true.
So that's like a tie to tie. But what they gonna measure us off of is your time against my time.
Like,
y'all remember what her time looked like, right?
But what y'all didn't also see that I was already prepared for my teammate though. So when he ran the ammo, I gave him my gun and we just kept the game going. See, he didn't have nothing set up. He didn't have no extra ammo. He didn't have a backup gun. He didn't have none of that. He just let his teammate down. What kind of ghost game
I'm
is
next. I'm next. Next up, we got DJ Ghost. Oh, I thought I was gonna make a cocky sound. Let's get it. Yes, let's go. Oh, I already knocked mine down.
Oh!
I already knocked mine down. I hit it.
Yeah!
What's up, though? What's up, though? Hey, be quiet.
I'm going down. Going down.
Oh, no.
Oh, you got to do
Oh, no.
Oh, snaps. Come here.
This is the jamboree.
Fastest in the world, though.
Oh, my God.
I threw my gun down. You better get it. I'm giving you a lifeline, DJ. I'll give you a lifeline. The gun right there. You redeem yourself.
This one don't even work.
Oh. Oh. Look at that face. Look at that face. You supposed to get down, though. You supposed to get down, though, on this couch. Don't try to test when you're drinking your juice. Like that. Just throw the juice down like that.
It jammed on me, bro. That don't count. That jammed on me.
You didn't even get down on the couch.
That's from the
though.
kids putting bent darts inside the drum. It don't matter. We're gonna have this again.
Your girl
Second
Nelly J. Your girl Nelly J won this one. Like
She
I said,
won.
she was. Even though he made
They
the track,
won.
he made the whole course designed to fail me, but it didn't though. That's what backfired on him.
They won. I'll give you that.
Backfired. No, you know.
I'll give you that. A juicy's bomb though. Whatever the case. And I guess that was it, man. We got a grip of cleanup to do right here though. If you made it this far, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Everything else, you drinking my leftovers, son.
No, he was probably drinking his.
Shh. We about to pick all this stuff up.
That's for the losers.
And probably play again off camera.
That's for the losers.
And I think that's it, man. 100.
Yeah. Bay on flexing, extensive. Brand new Rari, Smith & Wesson.